First inspection of the Nederman. We ran it with no beeping, just trying to simulate everything that you're doing. So airline connected, we're on a cleaning cycle at the minute, 2 minutes running, total duration 3 minutes, and then it should automatically kick in. To fan, open and ready. Phase is connected the right way. Cleaning cycle, obviously we can stop the cleaning cycle at any stage and put the fan on, but we'll just let it do its cycle. I can hear the air blowing through. There you go, 3 minutes. Extraction running as it should do, no beeping, plenty of flow. See that by the vent. Turn the vent off, reduce flow. That will have dropped down. And the momentum again. Do this once more as a cleaning cycle. Fan off. Lapse time 3 minutes. Hear the air being injected into the filter. I'll just give it a little bit more. I'll probably stop this because 3 minutes waiting seems to be quite a while. You can obviously change that in the settings somewhere. But I'll put it back onto the fan, because that's where the problem said with the beeping. We'll leave this running now for possibly the next couple of hours and just see whether the machine will start beeping, but up to now, no fault found.